All right, welcome everybody to the Hackster Holidays Grand Finale. Hello, Ben. How's it going?
Hey, Alex. I can't wait. We've been waiting for this for a long time.
We've been hyping it up all
It's
month
here.
long.
It's here. It's here. It is New Year's Eve. It's the grand finale. We got a ton of surprises for today. And at the end, we have two grand prize winners that we're going to be picking from our long, long list. Oh, that's right. I
We
said
gotta
the
have
word.
the
Yeah. There we go. New Year's Eve.
yeah.
Here we
So
go.
thank you all for sharing it with us. We're really excited. We're gonna be giving away a ton of hardware to people who join us on the stream today. So be sure to stick around because you're gonna tell us. You're gonna pick from a list of your favorite thing from these bundles that we have put together specially for this. So we've got a bunch of really cool stuff that we're gonna tell you about later on. But first, we're gonna go through all the cool stuff that we've done
Well,
during.
hold up. Hold up. Let's get them. Let's get them to start signing up.
Oh yeah, good point.
Let's do that.
Here,
Okay. So just like if as Alex pulls this up, so guys, I don't know if you caught it, but in this live stream, only people watching this live stream, we have a bunch of stuff to give away, like big, awesome kits. So for the last 3 weeks, Alex and I have been doing this streaming where we've been giving hardware from our amazing sponsors away. Well, in this one, we're the sponsors. Alex and I built these kits that we want to give away, and you're going to love them. And they're only for the people on the live stream. So we have a special form. Go fill it out, and you're going to be able to do a live poll with us then. So
it's
happy New
very
Year,
quick.
everybody. Yeah.
Go fill it out. You just have to fill in 4 fields: first name, last
Yeah.
name, your email that is associated with your Hackster account, same one, please, your Hackster username, and then if you want to read the terms and conditions, click these boxes, uh, and then hit submit, and you'll be entered into the live drawing, which is the first one of these that we're doing as well. There's so much new stuff, Ben.
So much.
This
So
whole
much.
thing is Ben's brainchild. Like, this is our first
You.
ever Hackster Holidays, like, extravaganza, and I've had an awesome time this month.
It's wild. Well, we're going to keep this link up throughout the stream, and we'll have to take it down every once in a while when we're talking about stuff. But definitely head over there. Everyone gets one entry, and stay on the stream because we're going to have you guys pick from the bundles that we have. And first come, first serve, and we're going to then move on from there. So that'll be cool.
Cool. Oh, no! I got too excited with the hat, sorry. Okay, anyway. How old is Hackster? That's a good question. This is a great year to be doing this. Why, Ben?
Oh my gosh. Well, this is our 10th year.
10
10
years at
years.
Hackster! It's also
10
my
years.
10th year at Hackster. I'm
Woo!
so excited about all this, so it's really cool. 2025 Extravaganza Archimedes. I've got a mini meaties over here somewhere. I'll pull them up later. But yeah, very cool. So what are we gonna do today, Ben?
Oh my gosh, what are we not going to do? We're going to
Mm.
we're going to give. Like we got to ring in the New Year's with everyone here. So, yeah, we're going to be running through and okay, first off, I'm getting ahead of myself. The reason why we're here is this is the capstone here. I can't take myself serious. This is the capstone of Hackster Holidays, which has been going on for 3 weeks. It has been a giveaway, a survey, a bunch of competitions, new product launches. It's been an extravaganza. It's been our busiest month by far, and one that we've loved. And we've been saying all along the capstone is the grand prize giveaway. We have two ultimate workbenches that we're going to be giving away today. And so it's for the people who have signed up for the giveaway. We tallied it. We got everyone in on this final equation, and we got all the entries put in. I got that all set up, and we're going to pick two winners live that are going to win two of these kits. This has been a lot of work. For the last 3 weeks, everyone was able to enter into the giveaway. If they did the survey, they got up to 10 additional entries. If they logged in every day and they did a like and they put a comment on anything, they would get up to 5 entries a day. If you put in a proposal on any of our competitions or challenges, then it was either like 5 points or 10 points and things like that. So all of that got added up, and it's been fantastic. We have over like almost 6,000 entries
Wow.
that we're going to be picking from today. So out of 6,000, we're going to have two winners, and so I'm very very excited. Now that's not all. Like so stick around. Like don't get discouraged out of like one of 6,000 or two of 6,000, because if you are on the live stream today, you're partying with us. You're on New Year's Eve. We got is it 13, Alex? 13 kits,
13 bundles. Yeah.
13 bundles that we're going to be
Plus
giving away
the
to the live stream.
mhm, plus
Yeah.
more stuff. Each bundle comes with one of the dev kitty kits that we've been assembling over our workshop the last week. And actually, I should grab that. But anyway, really cool little kit for security, hardware hacking stuff. Ah, love it. As well as Flipper Zero stuff. We've got Raspberry Pi stuff. Santa Ben has been super busy. Hackster Holidays was your idea in the first place,
That's right.
um, to do
Yeah.
this giant extravaganza and really just sort of spread the cheer around. And then we've
And our
got, yeah.
partners have been fantastic. They get it too. So thank you so much for all the partners. It's been a joy working with you all. Really quick, a couple people, one person said a funny thing. If my
Hmm.
verification is pending, am I cooked? No. So if you're on the live stream and you filled out the entry for today's live stream or any of the giveaways, if you at least well, let me back it up. On the big grand prize, uh, being entering the verification form was one barrier that you guys did need to fill. Now you don't need to be, your verification can still be pending and you still move forward in the process. So as long as you had the verification filled. Now today, in the live stream today of us giving away these bundles and kits that we're talking about, just fill out the live giveaway and we'll come and chase you down if you're a winner and say, hey, these are the boxes you need to check in order for us to get you your stuff. So don't worry, just like go to the Hackster.io New Year 2025, fill out that form, you're good for the live poll today. Oh, you're muted, Alex.
Sorry, I went to grab the dev kitty thing and
Okay.
made a bunch of noise. But so there is only one verification form. If you fill out that one verification form, you're good for all of it. And that includes these giveaways. It also includes our pro program. It includes all of our current and future giveaways, challenges, competitions, all that good stuff. So you only have to do it once. If you've done it already, then you're good.
You're good. Yeah. And the reason why we have a verification form is because we did a compliance audit earlier in the year because we wanted to provide bigger prizes, bigger rewards, cash prizes, like massive hardware prizes. And part of that is there's a number of hoops that we have to jump through on our end. And one of them is export compliance. So this is one way where now we're going to introduce a new badge system. Everyone who's verified gets a little checkbox badge on our platform. And this helps to unlock us being able to provide bigger and bigger prizes. So it's quite exciting. Yeah.
It'll go over here. I have a little Hackster admin one. You can also check your verification status down here on your profile page. That's something our dev team, who have been rock stars, have added as well, because we had a ton of questions
Yeah.
about that.
If you go to the homepage, I think you'll see some people who are verified.
Ah,
Like,
cool.
because like you can go down. Yeah, see, we got one verified.
Oh yeah, check that out.
Yeah, so that's
Click
that's what
OK.
you'll have to come up. Yeah.
Real
So
cool.
good.
So that's what verification does. You only have to do it once. But be sure during this stream that you're signed up for the New Year 2025 giveaway, because that's the big thing that we'll be drawing for with the, well, that's not the biggest thing. The biggest thing is the grand prizes, but we will be drawing those 13 bundles and the Dev Kitty kits, which I have now. Super
Guess
cute. And
what?
so be sure to sign up for those. We'll
Guess
give
what?
you a
We,
minute later on as well.
we already have 18 people signed up
Ha, awesome.
in the giveaway. So we can pull when we're ready. We can, I think so.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Let's go through all the other cool stuff we've done this month if you're down.
Do it.
Give people a little more time. So, you might have noticed that on the website, I have this beautiful dark mode. This was the first thing we announced this month. It was so long ago now. I'm really psyched about this. cool hat. It's way cooler than my hat, honestly. But like, uh, all this stuff you see here, there was a ton of work put in by our dev team to make sure all these icons looked nice, that everything looked pretty for you, and I just love it. I always go for dark mode.
Dark mode. Yeah, and we learned our lesson. So anyone in software, you don't launch on a Friday. But we had this like clever idea to launch on Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, which is not only a Friday, but it's also a holiday.
Whew.
So it's fantastic. It was just we did everything we shouldn't do. But
Yeah, and I kind of hid it down here, but you can switch to dark mode. If you haven't used it before, you'll see it the first time you go on a Hackster, but it's down here at the bottom. You just scroll to the bottom of the page, you can swap between light and dark modes, as well as your system universal mode. But okay,
cool.
let's see what else. We did Pro launch. So Hackster.io/Pro. I will pull that up too.
This is fantastic. We did a private beta. We had about 60 people in the program. Well, first off, Pro came from months of surveys that we did. So we did interviews with professionals, and we were like, okay, how can we build the Hackster of your dreams? And they basically said, we want to work on more ambitious projects. We want them to be more professional, higher expectations, and we would love to be compensated for our work. And so we introduced a little bit of a private beta program called Hackster Pro. And then this month, that private beta went into public beta. And so now this is in beta right now. Not only do we have the badges that come out, but now you have that solid blue badge, which signifies that you're a pro. Now, this is an invite-only club that you're in. So if you are a contributor and you're verified, we're always on the lookout for pros. And I'll tell you in a second a few ways on how you can get on our radar. But we're looking for the top contributors, people who are fantastic at building products, people who are fantastic about sharing information and educating the community, and those that are interested in extracurricular activities, like, do you want to become one of our regular contributing authors? Do you want to go to events and represent Hackster and other brands? Do you want to work on very large projects that will be showcased as a reference design with suppliers? This is all available to pros right now. And so it's quite exciting. We had a number of partners that we kicked off with. And yeah, so this went live. We now have, I believe we have over 100 people in the program.
Wow,
So
nice. I wouldn't be
we're
surprised.
always inviting more and more people in. Reason why it's invite only is we really have to gate the quality, but also we want to make sure that we have enough work for pros. So this is something where we are providing value to the pros, and we got to make sure that that we actually bring enough interesting projects forward.
Yeah, and we had a question before about whether it's a program that you have to pay to enter or to join. No, we want to pay you. We want to give you stuff, give you opportunities,
Yeah,
connect you with these brands. You'll get to say that you worked with Nordic or ST Microelectronics or Microchip or whoever, that you worked with that company. You can
yeah.
put that on your resume or whatever, and absolutely free to join, solely based on, are you making cool stuff? Are you sharing stuff in a cool way with the community? And yeah, you get to put all that and get compensated for it, which includes, as Ben mentioned, events. So in our hardware contest, which we'll go into in a second, one of these is our first ever pro only challenge. So just for pros, where you'll be sent to the Czech Republic, I believe.
Now before we
For
dive into that really
yeah,
quick. Okay,
yeah.
so challenges was one. No, it's okay to have that up. So
Mm-mm-mm.
challenges was one of the new features that we introduced.
Hmm.
And Alex, if you can pull up challenges again.
Yeah.
So everyone's familiar with the contests, right? Where you got a chance of winning something. So giveaways at the top. We revamped this page. So we got
Hmm.
giveaways, now we got competitions, which everyone's familiar with, a chance of winning. And we'll dive into those in a minute. But challenges are brand new. This is another beta thing that we launched during Hackster Holidays. And essentially what this is we put out a proposal, a scope out into the world, and we say, hey, here's a challenge. Who wants to do it? You submit a proposal. If your proposal is accepted, now we'll accept anywhere from 3 to 5, depending on the challenge. But if it's accepted, then you're guaranteed that you're going to get a reward if you deliver on that proposal. So say like we we have this one where Nordic wants you to build an audio product, with their new BLE chip. If you can design that, then I think what it is, everyone, anyone who's awarded this. So we have 4 proposals. I think we're going to pick 3 of them. Everyone that delivers on this is going to have $1,500 plus PCB Way is going to sponsor the build for the boards. And then if you are the best out of all 3, then I think there's another bonus for $1,000. Yeah.
Hmm.
So hey, if you're selected, that's awesome. And then people will get paid guaranteed for the challenges. So that's super cool. Now, the reason why I wanted to talk just about challenges really quick before we delve into that pro offering is we're going to keep an eye out on people working on challenges. This is by far the number one easiest way for you to get an invite to pro is if you put in a proposal and got accepted and delivered on a challenge. This is where quality really matters and you're guaranteed to get paid. So like might as well fulfill the project well. And this is how people are going to get into the pro program. That being said, now this is a good segue. We are going to post some projects that are only for pros, and they're going to be publicly available for you to view so that people can start to understand like what the pros can get at. And we have one here. We partnered with Nordic and with Fab Lab and their Fab 25 conference in the Czech Republic. And essentially what we're going to do is we're asking for all the dev advocate people out there that love hosting live workshops. We want you to post an agenda. What would your workshop be if you were hosting a live workshop at the Czech Republic for Fab 25?
And it'll
Now,
be on a trip. I gotta say that.
yeah.
I just gotta yell about that.
So,
Sorry.
so if you're accepted, I think we're accepting 3 proposals or 5, I forget. But if your proposal's accepted, we're going to expect you to build out this curriculum, $600 for building it out. And then the top winner is going to get a $5,000 travel voucher to be taken care of, be flown out to Fab 25 in the Czech Republic, give the workshop, have a blast, represent Nordic and Hackster, and get the recognition that you want. And Nordic will hook you up with a bunch of hardware and everything.
Super cool.
So, and naturally, like there's a reason why this is open just for pros, because you're going to be representing in public, you're going to be representing a brand and Hackster. So these are the types of invites and projects that pros get to work on.
And again, there's those 3 winners who will each get to develop a solution. And then of those 3, one of them will take home, will get to fully run their workshop on this train. It's called Maker Train. It's literally a train between 2 cities in the Czech Republic that this workshop will be run on. Between July 4th through 11th is when the conference is, and the Maker Train connects Brno and Prague. And that's where you'll be running your workshop. It's so cool.
Yeah. And then the last thing I would say about Pro, just to like get people excited. So we have a really massive news site that we provide, and we have contributing authors and regular writers on our news site. So a lot of those people are pros. So they get paid for contributing, and we're opening up news to the pros. And so this is another way where, do you love hacking? Do you love trying new things? Do you want that to be your full-time job? This is the path for that. So yeah, absolutely. We're excited.
Yeah, all these articles that you see here, you'll get to post your own articles on Hackster. Very cool. We already have a really cool dream team. All of our current writers, I believe, are becoming part of the pro program to start off with, as well as a bunch of other cool people. So yeah. So
Cool.
besides the challenges, we've also got a couple of contests that are wrapping up. Well, a couple that are just getting started. So this junk drawer competition. Shall we chat about that?
Well, before we move on, I
Oh,
think
sure.
we need to. So I'm watching the signups for the live stream prizes. They're slowing down a little bit. So yeah, so I think it's time. Like everyone who's watching right now, go to the link below. we're giving away 13 bundles in this stream of really cool stuff that Alex and I picked. So basically, we want to gift you the bundles of our dreams. We got
Mhm.
13 of them, only for those on the live stream. So you have to fill out this form, and after we're done updating you on this last update, we're gonna pick our first winner on this. So go
Mhm.
ahead and fill in. We have 22 people that signed up right now. So let's see if we can
Ooh.
get that up to 30 before we
We've
do it.
got 13 bundles, so your chances are really good.
I know. I'm super
Be sure
excited.
yeah, and we'll walk you through what's in the bundles. We'll give you a minute to fill that out later as
Very cool.
well, but be sure to go there.
All right.
Let's see. So yeah, shall we do the competitions real quick?
Yeah, let's do
Ooh.
it.
So the big one that's closing today is the junk drawer competition, and this is a really cool one that Ben also dreamed up. Would you like to tell us about it?
All right. So behind me, I have my own workbench. It's full of junk and
And
everything.
some
And
cool posters. Are those like
yeah,
patent applications?
these are old patents. Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. I have the Tesla magnetic motor right here. But then to stay humble, just so you guys know, the Tesla's electric magnetic motor is older than a toilet paper roll.
Ha!
The toilet paper roll patent is newer than the Tesla motor. And so, hey, humankind, you just got to know, it's been 130 years
Yeah.
since we had
And that's
toilet.
like Nikola Tesla's actual one.
Yeah. Yeah. This is
He's
Nikola
so
Tesla.
cool.
So anyway, yep. So I got this up. Thanks for recognizing. Anyway, this is my workbench. I have a ton of projects that I just never got to.
Mm.
And I was like, you know what would help me do my projects? What if I post a competition to help other people do their projects? And so end of year junk drawer competition. A lot of people have time off for the holidays. This is a time for you now to open up your drawer of things that you always wanted to do, get it done, and win some prizes for it. So this is ending today at midnight. At midnight, and anything is possible. You could submit anything, and we're gonna pick our favorites, and we're gonna reward gift cards, cash gift cards for our favorites. Yeah, I think we have three. We have first, second, and third. They're
Mhm.
not huge, but hey, like who's gonna balk at $300 for just like completing a project you're gonna complete for free anyway, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just an incentive to
300,
do
200, 100.
complete your dreams.
But what's really cool, if you scroll down, if you're looking for
Mhm.
inspiration, every single person on the team, Hackster is just a 10-person team or 9-person team, but we all came up with our own competitions. So, you know, it's from LEDs to pop culture references, to anything
Kitchen
that's like a
stuff.
kitchen gadget. Like, so we got little prizes, and you could be up for winning two things. So, like, you could win first prize and like yeah, an automated personal assistant, and then you get this cool Star Wars Lego kit.
Yeah, that's really cool. And so,
So
yeah, the judges are our team. We'll each be judging our own prize and then getting our heads together to look at the team favorite ones. Uh, I really love this as a way to sort of celebrate not only people sort of building their dreams, things they've already always thought about doing, but also as a way to celebrate the rest of our team who do so much cool stuff behind the scenes. Also,
cool.
this is a really cool prize. So you got until the end of today. We do have a question from the audience about whether you can submit a KiCad PCB design. Interesting question. Let's
Yeah.
have a look at the rules.
I think
Submit from
I think anything's doable on this
must
one.
be
This is
your own original work. No more than 5 members per team. You must include a project name, short description, cover image, bill of materials, full instructions, images, and relevant resource files. I think in my
it's pretty
opinion, that
open.
counts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made sure not to have any sponsors on this one. This is again us to you, and there's no limitations on it.
Yeah. There was another. Oh, what was the other question? Oh yeah. If you are building PCBs, by the way, we have these two contests we also launched during the holidays season, but these go through April, so you have until April 7th, and that includes this board designer competition. So we have a machine builder competition that's sort of like bigger stuff. That's you have this distinction, Ben. What is it? Chip down versus I forget.
Build versus buy.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah. So the machine builder is, work with modules, work with single board computers, work with dev boards, and build a machine that's legit.
Mhm.
Now, with those, um, an enclosure is important. So
Mhm.
PCB Way is a partner of both. But with this one, a lot of people don't know this, but you could do metal fabrication. You could do 3D
Mm.
printing with all sorts of types of materials through PCB Way. And they want you guys to use those services in the machine builder. So go ahead and make up your design of a machine, and we have different specific rules here, but then
Mhm.
leverage PCB Way for like an enclosure, or even if you want to maybe do an expansion board,
I've seen
PCB
some
Way.
really cool stuff done with, aluminum through PCB way, like, for enclosures.
Yeah. Yeah, and they do
Really
sheet metal as well. So there's that. But
super
then
cool.
we have the board designer. If you want to do chip down, if you want to build your own stuff, then here it is. Show us off. Show us what you got. Now with
Show
this
us what you
one,
got.
show us what you got. Now we have a trip to the Czech Republic for Fab, right? Now this one is
Mhm.
another trip that we're giving away. But this one is over to Edinburgh, London,
Oh,
or no,
Scotland.
England. Yeah. Or Scotland? No, it's England, right? Edinburgh?
No, Edinburgh's in Scotland. Oh, we're gonna
Oh,
get in trouble with
shoot.
some Scots.
I'm
I'll update
Scottish
that.
too.
No
My
worries.
family's gonna kill me. Anywho, so Open Hardware Summit is over on the other side of the pond this year, and we're gonna sponsor one grand prize winner to head out there
Oh, we gotta
on
hear.
that. And
We
it'd be
gotta hear.
fantastic if that winner goes with some custom PCB badges that they design in this kit. Um,
Mhm.
but yeah, we got a bunch of stuff that we're giving away on here.
Really
So
cool
this is
stuff
good.
here. Not just travel and cash, but also this Salier Logic Analyzer, which is also part of our Ultimate Workbench bundle. Lots of cool stuff here.
Yeah.
Tons of categories. So let's see. Anything else that we got up to during the holidays that we haven't covered yet? I'm going to take a quick look at our list because there was a lot.
Mhm.
There was a lot of new stuff, and
This all
just
happened
too
in
much to
3
remember.
weeks.
Yeah, the survey
Oh,
closes
yeah.
today.
Yeah, yeah, the survey is gonna end today, our annual, developer survey. I mean, we're going to do it's interesting. We experimented. This is in the background. I'll let you guys behind the curtains a little bit. But,
Ooh.
um, for Hackster Holidays, what we introduced was a graduating level of involvement so that we can have a low level barrier to entry, which is like, hey, sign up for a giveaway, win some free stuff. That's pretty simple. That takes about 3 minutes to fill out a form. All right. And then you graduate all the way up. You can do a survey. You can get more entries, up to 10 entries to the giveaway if you do the survey. You can then participate in competition. You can go into the chip down competition, right? And then you can go into challenges if you want, which are even more in depth. And I like that escalating scale of involvement. So we're gonna start to roll out that as a whole like standard process here at the over at Hackster. So we're gonna have that come out more often. So we're gonna have multiple surveys throughout the year going forward, and this one was more of a general survey. And yeah, so it's wrapping up. I think like it was like 10 minutes for 10 entries. So
Really cool.
yeah, pretty simple. Appreciate everyone. We had a tremendous amount of people turn out for this.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone who contributed.
Cool. I think we're good to move on to our giveaway structure and start
I
talking
think
about the
so.
different stuff we're giving away.
I think
So
so.
obvious, yeah. This is the main place you want to go right now because this is we're coming up on our actual giveaway time now. So we're gonna go through our bundle giveaways and then at the end we're gonna do our two grand prize ultimate workbench drawings. Ben, would you like to take us through the ultimate workbench?
I think I would love to do an audible, and I'd love to pick our first winner on
Cool.
this
Wow, nice.
because they've been listening to us for so long.
That's true, yeah. There's a lot to get like to celebrate, but also like we know what you're
Yeah,
here
like
for.
I want to give something away. I want someone to get excited here.
Ben loves being Santa Ben.
Yeah.
All right, hit it.
The drum roll. Yeah. See, chat knows what's up. Let's get the drum roll going. All right. So we have so do we have a Canva that has some of the bundles that we're gonna be
We
giving?
do. I've just been downloading it, which is partly why I was gonna ask you to talk about it, but I've got it on my let me just get this up.
Oh, oh,
Our rockstar Ginger has been pulling together these amazing graphics in the background, and I'm gonna pull up some of the first ones for you. So, wait, do you want to give away a bundle or one of the grand prizes?
no, no, bundles. Grand prize is
Oh,
at the
okay,
end.
cool.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, all right, all right. So let me pull up first the list of bundles.
And guys, while you're doing that, get your entries in
Get
because
your entries in.
yeah,
Uh, yeah, time is running out. Go to Hackster.io/New Year 2025, all one word. And these are the different bundles that you have to choose from. I'm going to pull them up here just real quick. So we've got, um, just,
we got a lot.
here's our Raspberry Pi one, for example. We've got a Raspberry Pi 5 bundle from Pimaroni, my bad, as well as this Touch Designer Touch Display 2, which I'm going to show you in a second, with a Raspberry Pi AI camera and the Pico Plus 2W from Pimaroni.
Is this the camera that has the Sony sensor in it?
You know, I should know that. Let me double check. Hmm.
Yeah,
Raspberry
because
Pi.
if it is, that's a really great camera.
It's a really cool camera. It's so, Raspberry Pi has been coming out with a ton of stuff this season, including a bunch of AI hat pluses, including the M.2 hat plus, which is basically a new form of hat from Raspberry Pi, like a shield that allows you to slot in a Halo 8 AI accelerator module. They also have an all-in-one piece that's like specifically dedicated hat plus that's just that module. And then they've also embedded some of those same smarts in this AI camera, which the cool thing about this is that it doesn't take any extra processor load on your Pi to run this. You can run it on some older versions of the Pi compared to
Yeah,
the Hat
that's the
Pluses are
Sony one then.
compatible with Pi.
That's the Sony
Super
one.
cool.
Yeah, that's
Here
super
we go.
cool. All right,
IMX 500.
we should. I'm getting antsy. We got to give this away to
Okay,
someone.
cool. Yeah.
We got to do this. Let's see here. So where are we at? So I'm looking at the total number of entries right now,
Mm-hmm.
and we got all right. So here we go. Are you guys ready?
Drum roll.
Drum roll. Whoops. Hold on here. Okay. We got the 11th person. The 11th person here.
Ooh,
All right. So here I'm gonna paste this
who's
person's
winning our Raspberry Pi
username
bundle?
over to
And then private
Alex
chat.
here in private chat. Here it comes, Alex.
Okay, okay, okay.
All right.
This is
Drum
a fun
roll,
name.
everybody.
Okay, okay. Let me pull this up real quick. All right, and our winner is I want my space 2002. Congratulations. So cool.
Here's what we
And
want
you're
to do. Let's pull up that list again of
mhm, mhm.
bundles. All right, since you are the first one, we're going to have you pick. If you are in chat, and no one else, please. But if you're, I want MySpace 2002. Which one of these do you want? Because we're going to pull it out from you and we're going to reserve it, and then we'll verify stuff later.
Mhm.
But
Yeah. And I'm
congratulations.
going to strike them out as we go so that there will be no
Yeah.
confusion.
If you're on here, let me know because you guys got a choice.
Mhm, mhm.
Mm, now
Uh
they,
While
yeah.
we're here, we're getting some comments. I know some people. So I personally thought it was Pimaroni because of the pirate monkey robot ninja thing, but I've been told from the horse's mouth that it's actually Pimaroni. So that's why I'm saying it that way. There's a lot of these little controversies in the community, but apparently it is technically Pimaroni. I don't know.
Very
It's like
cool.
KiCad. I prefer KiCad,
So is it Vishal? Vishal's the winner?
but
Is that him
cool. Yeah. So which
on
one do you
YouTube?
want?
He's watching on YouTube.
Cool.
All right, which one?
Which one do you want? You
I
gotta
love
pick.
Alex. I love doing this live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know it's pirate, but that's the thing. It's not pronounced according to the sum of its parts. Uh, the owners, aka Paul Beach,
Yeah, we
Guru,
should call up Paul,
has
right?
said that it's Pimaroni. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Yeah, we should text Paul right now and ask him.
I should. I'll okay. Michelle wants the Flipper Zero
Flipper
bundle. I'm
Zero.
really excited about that because I love this thing.
All
So the
right.
Flipper Zero is this guy. And we're not just giving you a Flipper Zero, we're also giving you there is the silicone case, there is also the Wi-Fi add-on and the proto board expansions. I'm gonna pull those up real quick. Flipper Zero shop. We're gonna have a look at it. So you're gonna be getting this. Uh, they value my privacy. That's so nice. Along with the silicone case, the Wi-Fi dev board, and the prototyping boards for the Flipper Zero. So that'll be
What a
really
great
cool.
bundle. That's good.
Super cool.
Man, you did a
So
great
I'm gonna
job.
cross this off of our graphic and let Ben take it
Congratulations.
away.
Should we give another one away?
Sure.
All right. Give me a drum roll, chat.
All right, chat. It's up to you.
How many people are entered? Okay, here we go. Let me update the number here because we're growing.
All right.
Okay, I have it. Here it comes. Here it
All right.
comes.
1 second.
Um.
I'm getting our
Oh,
strike
wait.
through real
This person. This person won in
quick.
case. I think this is
Oh, if they
great.
won already. Oh
There's
no.
well, it's just gonna be a bigger box that we send
All
them
right,
in.
cool.
I think they won.
All right.
Okay,
Are we ready?
I'm ready. Yeah, I
All
sent it
right,
to
I'm
you.
gonna pull them up in the chat here. Oh yeah! Here we go. Welcome back to the stream. Michael Welling! I know this person. He's super
Mr.
cool.
Welling, congratulations.
Yeah, Michael Welling is a big contributor on Hackster. And Welling. Here we go. Has a bunch of cool projects up here. And I'm gonna pull up the list again with our strike through added in just a second. So you're gonna get to choose from these things. But first, look at your cool projects on here. That's
Oh,
so
what
right?
that?
Super pro person.
Those
Honestly,
some Beagle
if you're
balls?
interested in the pro program, you should totally get involved. But maybe they already have applied. Lots of cool stuff. Anyway, you get to pick from these things.
Now we might not be able to see the bottom. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah.
What's the bookworm bundle?
That is a set of books. So let me pull this up. Bookworm bundle is the make so a bundle of electronics educational zines from Lee Wilkins, aka Lee Cyborg or Leeborg, the Maker Skill Tree book by Steph Piper, the Make Electronics Super Book Bundle from Maker Shed, and the Forrest Mims Engineer's Notebook. So as a visual, I have a few of the old mini notebooks from
Oh,
Radio
nice.
Shack. This is alas not the same thing, but you're gonna get a much more comprehensive book that includes a bunch of Forrest Mims's stuff. And so like you can see it all done in his signature style with the sort of like handwritten stuff on the grid pages and stuff. A really cool book, I think. And
I'm
so yeah, that's what the
super
bookworm
jealous.
bundle is. Michael, let us know what you want. Do, 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 do.
He's looking. He's thinking. I know it. Too many options. Here, what we're gonna do is we'll leave this up and
I'm
then
gonna
I think we pick one more person. So we get two
yeah,
people. We get two
we've got
people.
more of these graphics coming in from Ginger. Lots of cool stuff. So where's the books one? Here we go. Bookworm bundle. Here are those zines from Leeborg, the Maker Skill Tree book from Steph Piper, the Forrest Mims Engineer's Notebook, and the Make Electronics books. Super cool.
All
Oh,
right.
we
So
have our next winner.
I just snuck it in.
Pardon.
Yes.
I'm a mess over here. Here we go. So our next winner is this person. Congratulations.
Jinthas.
So let's see. Did we get
And Michael got back to us
oh cool.
at the
What
nick of
does
time.
Michael want?
Yeah.
He wants the Raspberry Pi bundle. Cool. Awesome.
Nice.
So I'm going to cross that one out.
This is great.
Mm-mm.
I love this.
Me
What if
too.
this was like our full-time job? We just got to do it every day.
You could live the dream. So we've got Raspberry Pi bundle from Michael Welling. So those two are crossed out now. Here we go. So
All right.
here are your
Who's the last
choices.
winner? Who was the last
Uh,
winner at this?
JNTHAS. This person gets to pick their prize. If you're here, should come in the comments. Oh, I'm gonna assume it's you because you got a lot of those same letters in your name, Jonathan.
Oh,
Cool.
you know what? Let
What's
me
up?
ask operations right now.
Okay.
I'm going to, in fact, we got operations on the line here, so I'm gonna ask her.
Neat.
Yeah, because like I don't want to, like if we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Cool. We will continue. Oh, I see. There's an eligibility thing. Well, yeah, Ben is checking with operations our app now. And but just in case, have a look at these bundles and see what you might be interested in. And I'm gonna scroll through a few more of those. So we've got the Raspberry Pi bundle already taken. Microbit bundle is up for grabs. Flipper Zero taken. Make digital plus print subscription so you get PDF and physical versions of each issue. The Arduino Alvic robot kit, which I love, I've got one right here that I'll show off in a minute. The cool kits bundle. So Alpenglow Industries has these really cool, cute little weather PCBs that are like little through-hole soldering kits. We've got a space shuttle kit from Adafruit, and from Evil Mad Scientist, the 555 35's discrete 555 timer kit, which basically, this is a really cool one, unlike everything else, which is super boring. But I have it assembled here. You can actually find a video of me assembling it long ago on our channel. It basically is it's taped down, but it's a what they mean by discrete 555 timer is that it is the 555 timer chip, but all the things inside of that chip, the transistors, the resistors, etc., are broken out into discrete through-hole components that you solder onto the shape of this big chip. So it's a super cool kit that is really, this whole thing is about, maybe 5 inches long by 4, something like that, about postcard size. It's a really cool kit. The
Okay,
screw terminal. Oh, what's up?
so we are going to do Brazil, but here
Ooh.
are some ramifications with that. So it depends on the hardware that we're shipping out. So everyone, so because we have the verification going on, it's to be compliant with export laws. And every single time we send out something to you, any hardware, there's an ECCN, an export control number associated with that.
Mm.
So there might be some limitations on that. So uh, John S., I think like if you want to pick something on the list, and then we'll work with you.
Well, it looks like he picked the make subscription, which actually is not a problem for us because we don't have to ship it.
We could do that. Yeah, congratulations on that.
Good
And you know what?
pick.
That was donated by Make as well.
Nice. Thank you, Make. Really cool stuff from their team. I'm gonna pull this up. Can I just reload that? There we go. Yeah, so that we've got the latest issue here. I personally subscribed at Maker Faire Bay Area this year because I was so excited about what we've got going on here. I'm big in for a second. Uh, they do this boards guide every year, and so much work goes into this. Is a huge labor of love from their team, including David Groom, our friend and a Hackster Pro member, who is the community editor at Make. We got to see him like going through all these different boards and telling you what's up with those. So you're gonna get a year-long subscription to Make print and digital. Very cool.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm jealous. And David is a legend.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, we got the one and only Jessica in the chat.
Jessica, former director of Hackster, now VP of marketing at Avnet? I always forget. I'm really bad with
Pretty big
titles. Real
title.
bad.
Pretty big
Anyway,
title. She's a legend too.
she's a big wig.
Um, okay, let's get that link up to register again because I see a lot of new
Yeah.
names coming in the chat. And everyone sign up because we've already given away 3 things out of our
Mm-hmm.
13, and it's only for the people on the live stream. So
Aw.
get in there, and we're gonna totally pick you because there's 10 more prizes that we have, and I think right now we're up to 30 applicants on this. So definitely sign in there, and your chances are like the best ever.
So
So
cool.
sign up,
Yeah.
and we're gonna pick our next name. Is it okay, Alex, that we're just like going down and picking
Do
names?
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
All for rolling with the energy.
Okay, very cool.
There's some more of
All
our
right.
stuff we're
Ooh,
gonna.
this was a low number. So someone who registered early
Ooh.
is getting this one. All right. So let me get
Do, do,
this
do, do,
and copy
do.
to.
Do, 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 do.
All
Dum, dum, dum. No stress.
right. Here we
Here
go.
we go. All right, I've got the name. I am putting it in the banner now. I'm saving the banner and I'm going to show it. Here's our next winner. Congratulations. And you will get to
Woohoo!
pick the next giveaway. If you're in the chat, reveal yourself now and you will get to choose what you have won. Cool. So,
Woohoo.
if this is you, take a look and show yourself and then pick your thingy. So, once again, I'm going to hide your name for a second so that you can take a look.
So, what are
And
some of the
if this
things
is
that you
you.
really like that are left?
Ooh, well, let's have a look. There's so much stuff here. Well, okay, so the Auto HP Robot Kit bundle. This is pretty obvious because it's the thing that I'm giving away at your suggestion, actually, but it's a great idea. Um, It is oh, you know what? Actually, I will talk about that, but also we have a question here. What is the OmniFixo? So that is actually one of my other favorite things. I use this thing all the time. So this is the OmniFixo, and the M4.4, I believe, is this same version, which is basically like a magnetic plate, and it has these magnetic little feet that each have perpendicular jaws with little both electrically insulating and sort of cushioning silicone sleeves on them, and that basically makes it so that you can grip really easily onto a PCB. Uh, it makes a great solid hold because it's not angled like an alligator clip. They're parallel jaws, and they're really soft, so they're not going to mar your surface or make any unwanted electrical connections. And it's got these little rulers on it. It's all magnetic. You can move it around, and one of the cool things I love about it, besides this, like all these extra little features, like they have a perpendicular mount if you tilt them back, um, is that you can also use it as a sort of exploded diagram for like if you're in the middle of assembling a kit, you can leave these sort of like holding different parts of the kit while between work sessions, and it looks really cool. You can have like a 3D real life exploded diagram of whatever you want. I did that while I was assembling this make or Arduino synth kit. So feel free to stop me when
No, no,
we
you're
have a
great.
response.
We need
But
Mutho to pop up and tell us which one he.
reveal yourself so we can give
Yes.
you free stuff.
I was gonna
This is the best
say
reason.
the 2 grand prize winners for the ultimate workbench are also gonna
Mm.
get 2 of those.
Yes. Yeah, those are in our grand prize kit bundle. So if you look at this, we've got this listed on here. Again, OmniFixo M4.4 kit. That'll be part of our ultimate workbench grand prize as well, along with all
Alright.
this other cool stuff.
So I think we lost Muthu.
Alas.
So what we're gonna do is he's
Nice.
gonna get an awesome leftover.
Cool.
Whatever
Awesome. Everyone
whatever's
else
not
gets to pick
picked.
first, and then that person goes last. All right. I'm gonna
Yeah.
save this in the sidelines and make a
Alright,
view map
cool. And then that
there.
means I have to pick another name, right? Oh,
Yeah,
we
you
have to have
do.
more people entered. Oh, so I gotta update this. Alright,
Cool.
here we go. We got
Who's it gonna be?
oh, ooh, I'm so glad we got this guy.
Oh,
He's gonna
cool.
be I think he's one of our pros.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna put this on our banner. I'm saving it, and I'm gonna pull it up in 2 seconds. Who is our next winner? It is Salman Faris. Congratulations! Ah, so cool.
What
I
a
see
great
your
guy.
website all the time.
Yeah.
Uh, this person has created a bunch of cool projects. Let me see if I can pull them up real quick. A legend in the community. Uh, 1 second. Here we go. All right, we got this guy who is already verified and a pro contributor, as you can see by this cute little badge. Um, Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. Uh, Raspberry Pi projects, cool wearable stuff, all kinds of things on here. So let's see. What are you gonna pick? Hooray! You are live on the stream. All right, what are you gonna pick? We've got these things remaining.
Oh, wait, we
Oops,
got a
let me hide
Blues.
this.
We got an Arduino Blues PLC. Ooh, that's
Oh,
neat.
I could have left that in by accident. Let me see how.
That's okay. Anyone
Cool,
is
yeah.
so I'm imagining that would be an Opta, right? An Arduino Opta PLC. Is that
Yes,
and then the
and
Blues
a
MC
Blues
button?
PLC
That's cool.
starter kit. It is super cool.
I'm gonna
Uh,
do that one.
yes, absolutely.
Maker Brain said that he's holding out for that one, so
Nice.
we gotta hold it for him. But what
So let
else
us know
what
what
else
you
is in
wanna.
there? So, I don't know if people know about hacker boxes, but they've been around for, gosh, over 6 years now. I love them. So, and
Yeah, I'll pull those up in just a sec.
Joe puts together a great kit. I wonder if I have one still down here.
I'm gonna pull up their website too. Here we go.
Oh, I do have one.
Hacker boxes.
Hacker boxes.
Hackerboxes.com. Check it
Ooh,
out.
yeah. No.
Oh, I have one of those skull PCBs from back in the day.
Oh my gosh,
Still
I
have one
got
of
super
those.
excited. I thought it was gonna be something cool, and I opened it up, and it was just a bunch I just told myself.
Cool.
That's hilarious.
Awesome. Yeah, let's see. So, Salman, let us know what you want to pick from this list. We've got all this stuff left, and we really want to give you something that you want. So, we have a question about what does the microbit kit look like? I will pull that up in just a second. Here we go. Um, I think that was toward the start of the list, so keep looking at all this cool stuff. Here we go. So the Microbit V2 is included in this kit. It's the newer version. It's been out for a few years now, but it includes a touch sensor at the top and a speaker and a microphone, lots of cool stuff. There's also this Kitronic servo bit kit, which basically enables you to connect servos and NeoPixel LEDs really quickly. So I pulled out, this is actually connected to an older version of the Microbit, but you can kind of see it's got an on-off switch, a row of NeoPixels at the top, and then your connector is free here. You can still connect anything you want via the bottom connector. It's got a AAA battery pack here, giving 4.5 volts, and then you've got two servo connectors. We'll be giving you two standard size servos and two micro servos, so you can choose whatever you want, whether you want to be like a continuous servo rolling robot or like something expressive with a couple of fixed uh, rotation servos. And then also there's two extra little 3-pin breakouts here, which you can use to connect like NeoPixels or other programmable RGB LED strips or whatever kind of things you want to
Super
connect.
cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So we need you to pick Salman. Let's see. Have you responded? You gotta let us know what you want. Let us know what you want, or else we'll like pull you up again at the back. So let us know.
Salman, he's one of our judges on one of the competitions.
Yeah.
We forgot to say, as a pro, you also get incentivized if you're gonna be an active, participant on as a judge. So, yeah, he's on the board designer.
Oh, cool! Someone wants the Alvik. Yeah, it's real. We
Oh,
do have
that's a
stickers
good
everywhere.
one.
This is a great
Salman,
one. Speaking
that's
of
a good
robots,
pick.
love this thing. So this is a new kit from Arduino. It is one of those things that I love because it's very friendly for beginners, but it's also got a ton of complexity baked in here for more advanced applications. You've got these wheels on here are not simple DC motors. They are actually servos where you can get position readings. You can give them different speeds. You can give them specific positions to go to. So very, much more advanced than it appears on the surface. You've also got these Lego Technic connectors and M.3 M.3 M3 screw terminal adapters. Screw, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Tap spot to
yeah,
put
and this
M3
was
screws in there.
designed by, the EDU team over at Arduino, a great team led by Yoo-Hoo. That's his
Oh,
name, Yoo-Hoo. A great guy. Love him. And, Yeah, he did a lot to bring this to life, and it just couldn't have turned out any better.
So good. You got proximity sensor on the front, line following sensors here. This is a swappable PCB. You could design your own faceplate for this.
Yeah.
And the core of it is an ESP32, what? S3 or C3? I could be wrong. Anyway, it's got an ESP32 on it. All the pins are accessible via a row of headers on the top and on the bottom. You can also access them this way. And it's got just like this really in-depth API with a ton of commands to make it really easy to use these. So this proximity sensor, for example, I gotta restrain myself because there's so much to say about this.
It's
But
going
last
on and
thing,
on and on.
I
Yeah.
know. Okay, I'll cut it off there, but there's tons of other cool stuff, and you can find my unboxing of it on the Hackster video channel. So go check that out if you want to learn more. It's really cool. Good pick.
Very cool. All right, I have the other winner.
Okay, cool. Next winner.
And Ginger gave us a link. By the way, Ginger, when are you ready? Are you ready to come in on this too? Ginger's been helping us around on the background, and as when I was out earlier in the stream, she came on and did a stream with Alex. I would love to bring her on.
Yeah,
And
I am gonna take a second and pull this up.
see
Let us
here.
know if you'd like to join, Ginger.
I'm gonna message her.
Cool. 1 second. I'm just getting our winner up. Very exciting. I gotta pull Salmon down to the end.
Two,
Oh no,
three,
actually he
four.
already picked, so never mind.
Picked. And so this is going to be our 6th pick.
Okay,
So
cool.
we're not even halfway. And Ginger can come on. She's a bit. Oh my gosh, things are
Oh,
just
awesome. Shall I? Well, I'll wait until she has her camera on, and then I'll pull her into the stream. But in the meantime, oh wait, here we go, Ginger.
Hi
How's it
everyone.
going? So
Yay.
awesome. Shall
So
I add
happy
our
to
next winner? I'm sorry. I'm talking over you like a jerk. Want to say hey?
Hey.
Oh, hey. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're with us. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, absolutely. No, this is so fun.
So our next winner is, drumroll please, we got this person. Congratulations! And you are going to get to pick your prize as well. So hit us up in the chat and tell us what you want. I'm going to try and talk less so that we can get through more of these because there's a lot left to give away. Be sure to show yourself in the chat and tell us what you want to win because there's so much cool stuff in here.
He has a couple cool.
Oh, here we go! Haha! Congratulations!
Yay!
Now I'm gonna hide you so that
Nice.
we can show that. Yeah, awesome. So that we can show you everything you get to pick from. Lots of cool stuff. And again, Ginger put together these amazing
What's the cool kids
visuals.
bundle?
That was the soldering kits. So these guys are the different various. You can solder a little space
That's the one I would
shuttle,
pick.
555 timer kit, alpenglow kits. Yeah, tell us what you want. Auto HP robot kit. Someone asked about that a minute ago. Or asked me what I was excited about, and I'll pull that up in a second. It's. Let me get this from the sidelines here. There's a lot that we're pulling up, but here is the box. It is a Santa-themed version of this Auto HP robotics starter kit. So you can see the actual assembled robot here, which I also covered on the Hackster video channel. So if you're on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, you can find it there. But here is the starter kit box. It comes with a ton of cool stuff, including you've got LEDs to program, servos, and then also multiple of these expansion kits, which are really cool and enable you to add more sensors and actuators and stuff. Okay, that's all the rambling I'm doing.
While Muhammad is thinking, I picked the next person.
Cool.
And it was the random number generator picked number 1. So this person was the very first one. That he was the fastest on the click.
Cool. And if
That's
this person
cool.
beats the last one, then they get to pick first. So congratulations!
Muhammad and
Tell us.
Mahesh. Yes.
Yeah, this
Awesome.
person has a lot of projects and has
Oh,
participated in like Build Together contest and seems like Matter contest from Nordic. So lots of like really good projects if you want to check out his profile.
yeah, let me pull it up. Here we go. And again, tell us what you want to win.
OMG, that is you, Mahesh. Yay. He's in chat.
Oh yeah, awesome. Feel free to pull people up on the screen if you'd like. By the way, you guys have admin privileges
Ooh,
on
sounds
StreamYard.
scary.
You could mess with it if you like. You don't
Okay,
have
so
to, but
Mohammed went with the auto.
cool, awesome. Well, that was quick, sweet. So
Yeah,
you will be getting that Auto HP Robots kit. Congratulations. Cool. Let me
very cool.
pull this up, and I'm gonna update our little our graphic here so that we can take that out of the running. Auto HP Robot Kit Bundle. Cool. That has been struck from the record.
Okay.
So we have this hardware remaining. What do we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things left to go, but we've only got 7 more winners, I think, because wait, am I off here? Oh, I think we might have gone with 14 kits instead of 13, so an extra one, which is really cool because we've got 14 of those Dev Kitty kits to give out as well, which I forgot to mention. Each of these bundles comes with a Dev Kitty kit. We mentioned this earlier in the stream, but it's been a while, so let's talk about it again real quick. Ginger, would you like to talk about this actually? Because you set up the workshop, which is really cool.
Oh yeah, the Dove Kitty. So definitely just go check out our playlist. And that's also something we'd like to do with more pros. In the upcoming New Year's, we have new hardware. You want to do like live hacking, with other pros, or like create these amazing content with us. Like pin me and we can chat. So definitely that's something also we're going to be doing more in 2025. With these kind of live events, virtual events, and you get to hang out with other nerds. It's super fun, and we did this cutie cat workshop. We did like some live soldering and live programming. So super fun. And again, this is with another one of our Hackster Pro, Alex Lind. He also did this. He does this workshop in person, at different kind of events we go to. So hopefully to see more of those. And this is
Really
super
cool.
cat themed PCB. So you got to put it together. It has a little screen, and you can use it actually do some pretty cool cybersecurity stuff. Yeah, Alex?
Really cool. I actually ended up getting mine working after the stream that we did. It comes with a cute little enclosure, and this is a special one-off, like limited edition Hackster branded version. You can see the Hackster logo on there, and it's in blue. Unlike previous versions of the Cutie Cat, Alex Lind has created this custom version just for Hackster pros. So, well, whether or not you're a pro, you can win this. Any of the bundles we're giving away today comes with one of these. It's so
Oh
cool.
yeah,
And
we
we did
forgot. Every bundle gets one.
Yeah, everyone gets one of
We
everything.
forgot to say it. So guys, we got some drama happening in chat. I don't know if you see this, but Mahesh stole Maker Brain's poll like what he wanted.
Oh no! Well, that's fine. That's what happens when you
People
win the
laugh.
drawing. But maybe Maker Brains will win the grand prize. So
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we got 2 grand prizes coming
So I'm gonna
up.
cross that off real
Valued at
quick.
over $5,000 each.
Are we
But
still waiting on Hussein's pick?
no, he did the auto.
Oh yeah, duh.
Yeah.
Wait, I thought that was Salman. We'll figure it
Oh,
out.
Salman did the Elvic.
There we go.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get myself
Don't
caught
worry,
up here.
team. We'll get our act together.
We're
We'll
doing
get
a lot of stuff.
Okay, I'm tracking here as well. We have 13, Alex. We have 13 on the bundles.
Perfect. Okay. This is my brain on Hackster Holidays. I'm running the stream and doing all this stuff in the background, and I love it. I love
So
it.
we've done 7 so far, right?
Here we go.
So we're like halfway. Should we do a grand prize winner?
Sure.
Ooh.
I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. It's been 3 weeks. We've been building up on this. Grand prize winner, like they're not going to be in the chat. Like, or if they would, that'd be freaking amazing if they were. But we've had over 5,000 applicants. Should we wait to the end or should we do it? Like someone else make the decision for me. I'm nervous.
I think we should do one now. I think it's fun.
Let's do it.
I think you should run with your heart.
All right. Running with my heart and scissors. Here we go. All right. I definitely need some drum rolls here because I'm going to pick the random number. This is going to be like, what is it? It's like $5,200 ultimate
incredible.
workbench.
I'm so jealous.
I am
Prize.
so
So
jealous.
much cool stuff. You've got a really fancy 3D printer that can print in 4 colors, along as well as some like Hackster colors, light blue and white filament, oscilloscope, benchtop power supply, digital multimeter, like a big fancy one, a rework station with a hot air gun and soldering iron, a Weehaw screwdriver set. It's gonna be super cute and fancy. Um, Nordic Semiconductor Power Profiler Kit 2, Salier Logic 8 Logic Analyzer for you people who are doing prototyping or analysis, maybe reverse engineering, Fume Extractor, keep your lungs healthy, Omnifixa, we looked at that, Make Electronic Super Book Bundle, Everyday Goal Calendar from Simone Yetch. This is a super cool thing. Up here in the left, you see that. It's a giant PCB with light up uh, icons for every single day of the year. So you can do habit tracking or goal tracking or whatever. Carvera Air desktop CNC
That's the
machine.
big one.
Yeah, incredible. You can
Yeah.
do swappable tools for that, route things, all kinds of stuff with that. Digital microscope and an iFixit FixHub portable soldering toolkit, which I love. Got one here. Used it
All
today.
right.
So good.
So I just put the winner in.
Has the
This winner did 11 entries.
Oh,
So
nice.
they did some work to get this in there. So
And they got lucky because you could do up to 200 entries with this.
that was the
So 11 is
maximum.
pretty good.
Yeah, and we had a couple people that got over 100. So there were
Nice.
some people that got a lot. But
So,
here it is.
all right, 1, 2, 3, go! Congratulations! This person is our first
Whoa!
grand prize winner. Oh yeah, I gotta put the hat on. If you're doing the glasses, I gotta do the hat. It doesn't
Yes.
really fit over my headphones, but it does flash with them.
I'm super excited. Like
Congratulations!
if I had a firecracker, I'd light it off.
Yeah, awesome. That is our first grand prize winner.
Oh,
So
gosh.
exciting. Congrats.
Oh
Congrats.
my gosh.
Oh, y'all are so.
Are you here? Reveal yourself. Oh no, he might not be here.
He might not.
Yeah,
This
no.
was yeah,
Oh,
this
okay.
this came out of the pool of over 5,000.
Yeah. I mean,
yeah.
he
So
can
cool.
start a makerspace with all these.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Super jelly. Yeah. And like how many different filaments can you have with that 3D printer?
4.
4. Like what?
It's so cool. It's so
Like
cool.
we live in the future.
Congratulations
Oh my
so much.
gosh.
This is so cool.
Super cool.
This is so cool.
I'm so
Amazing.
excited.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, now what we have to do is we have to give away the remainder of the 13. So we gave away 7, right? So we got 5 more to do. Or no, 6 more to go.
Yeah, we had a question
Right.
about the Adafruit robotics kit bundle. So that's what this is. You've got a Circuit Playground Express and an Adafruit Cricket kit, which is basically a breakout for the Circuit Playground Express that enables you to hook it up to servos, LEDs, all kinds of different cool stuff, and screw terminals for DC motors and things, and a barrel jack for power. So all kinds of cool stuff in there, and some other things we haven't mentioned yet.
All right, so we got halfway through. We picked 1 grand prize. Now we're going to get these other 6 out there, and we're going to pick 6 live winners right now, and then we're going to do the last grand prize.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's going to be an amazing capstone to our first ever Hackster Holidays.
Yeah.
So let's do this. I gotta write down. I gotta do some paperwork. Boom. All right.
Nice.
Ready. Let's go here. Let's reset.
All
right. Hold on here. Okay. So we've flattened out on entrance. So we have to get that URL back up. Everyone.
Cool. Yeah.
You are in chat. If you are watching right now, we are giving away 6 prizes to 6 live viewers right now. We've already given away 7 awesome items. We want to give 6 more away. We want to give it to you. So definitely sign up. I'm going to pick 1 more, and then we're going to be down to only 5.
Now, I need my co-hosts to help me for a second here, because I have lost track. With all these different giveaways, I'm going to just straight up admit it. I need a little help remembering all the stuff we've given away because we have so much. I'm juggling some things here. So.
Oh, no. Yeah, do we have 7
I think.
So let's see.
We've
here.
definitely got 7 left.
I have. We gave away the Flipper Zero.
Oh, you know what? I think we drew that many people, but one of them is still not picked. There's one person we were going to call back at the end. That's what happened.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, cool. So these things, 7 things that are still to pick, and 6 more people to pick them.
All
Unless that
right,
person shows
I
up.
have the winner. Let me paste this in.
Cool.
Let me paste this in. Oh, wait a minute here. Does this person already?
Ooh.
Yes. All
You
right.
can't just tell Ginger to pick you. And sorry your emoji didn't come through there. But that's not how this works.
Pick, you know, the Santa band is the one that picks.
I'm sorry, it's not rigged. If it were, I would be accepting so many bribes right now. So many. There's so many things you could bribe me with, and no one. I'm almost a little disappointed. No one has tried to bribe me this season. Like I could have done some nefarious stuff on the back end. Good thing I'm a nice person, or I would have been soliciting bribes left and right. Ooh, is this our winner?
You could have hacked my algorithm.
Oh yeah! We told you at the
Oh,
start that you
wow.
could win both a daily giveaway and the
Yes.
grand prize, but also that counts for our live giveaways here. So this person has actually won a
Oh,
daily giveaway.
wow.
And maybe you know who you are already, but let me get here in the banner. All right,
And you know
we've
what?
got
Oh, go for it.
a really cool name here.
Mhm.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. We got the Confused Genius.
Confused genius!
Congratulations again.
Congratulations! Hamlet,
Yeah.
you
Awesome.
are here. Now
Yeah.
you can pick.
Yeah, awesome. So you get to pick from these things. Make sure you show up and tell you, man, I'm sorry, Ibrahim. No, it was Mohammed. I'm sorry. It's too late to bribe me now. We're already doing the drawings. You missed your
He
chance.
won.
You'll have to bribe me next year. I'm sorry. All right, we got the Confused Genius.
Confused genius.
Yes.
Confused genius.
Congratulations. Show up and tell us what you want from the list. There's still 7 things left to pick.
I hope he's not confused enough where
Don't be too confused, please.
don't be too confused.
All these different things to pick from. Let's take a quick look at some of these again. We've got the microbit bundle is still up for grabs. The Make Digital and Print Years subscription. We've got
We have a
actually no,
special
someone took
message.
that one.
We
Yeah.
have a special message from corporate. Alex, it
Ooh,
said no bribing allowed.
no bribing.
Yeah, corporate's in
Ugh, Jessica.
chat.
Ah. This is the thing. You actually can't
Always
bribe me
watching.
with L robots because I want to build them myself. But you could bribe me with parts. No, you can't. You can't bribe me. No bribing allowed. We just did a compliance training on this.
Yeah,
We just did the training. I'm
yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
Man,
We're good. Jokes.
never get to have any
JK.
fun.
JK.
Okay, the confused genius
I
is still
also
picking.
finished mine.
Is confused
All right,
genius.
Yeah,
Confused
he's still
Genius.
picking.
Tell us what you want, or else you'll get to pick at the end of the line again. We're gonna pull up at the end the people who have not managed to answer and tell us what they wanted.
All right, let me write this down.
Right.
Yeah. I'm saving this as an extra banner so that we can be sure to pull them back up at the end. But yeah, ooh, let's see. New
Man,
chat
we
things.
we
Oh, hey! I think this is the Confused Genius.
now I am the confused.
Yes, that is a confused genius.
Awesome! Hooray! Let's get this back up. Congratulations!
Yeah,
So,
maybe we need to pull up the what's left again for him to pick.
mm-hmm. I am clicking around like a mad woman.
Wait,
Here we
Mohammed,
go.
you're the confused genius?
He is.
That's
We're
great.
all confused here.
That is good.
Muhammad, congratulations.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta pick something. We got another grand prize to get to.
All right. So the numbers are bumping up in the
Ooh,
so
cool.
people are definitely
Yeah, let's get
entering.
this
This is great.
link back up here. Be sure to enter the live drawing.
All right.
And you might be eligible.
So Muhammad,
Adafruit. Okay, you have picked the Adafruit bundle. Awesome. So that is the ones I just showed with the Circuit Playground Express and the Adafruit Cricket Robot Expansion Kit, which is a breakout for the Circuit Playground Express. Oh wait, you said Adafruit. So actually, there's 2 things on there that are Adafruit.
I was
There
just gonna
is the
say, like, no
Adafruit
one got like
Beginner
a box.
Robotics Bundle. There's also the Ada Box subscription, which is an annual subscription or a 6-month subscription to receive these monthly boxes from Adafruit. which contain a bunch, like an assortment of hardware for you to explore. Let me pull that up real quick, just so that you have an informed selection. So AdaBox is this. Here we go. So let us know what you'd like to do.
And then we got our next winner.
Oh, cool.
I'm a big fan of AdaBoxes too. So
Super
the Hacker
cool.
Boxes, the AdaBoxes, I loved when I had both subscriptions. It was fantastic.
All right, we got our next winner.
Here's the URL. Everyone who's winning in this stream on these kits are coming through this URL. If you are in the chat, you have a chance to win. So definitely sign up through that URL. We have a handful to go. I just put in our latest winner.
Yeah, and I'm about to pull them up. Are we ready?
And they were a late entry. So I'm pretty positive they're still here.
Cool. All right. So drum roll for this person. We have you. Welcome. Congratulations. I'm trying to say too many things at once. Congratulations on winning one of our finale giveaways. In the absence of other information, I'm going to assume that this last person wanted the Adafruit Robotics bundle, but feel free to correct us, the confused genius, if you'd rather have. Okay, you got it. Awesome. So that is now out of the running. And we have the Microbit bundle, which has a Microbit V2, a cool kits bundle with a bunch of soldering kits, an AdaBox 6-month subscription, a HackerBox's 6-month subscription. Ben was telling us about that before. The Bookworm bundle we walked through a while ago, and the OmniFixo M4.4. Oh, cool! Awesome! OmniFixo! Congratulations! Okay, cool, sweet. I'm going to cross that one off. That, I think, is a great choice. I think that that's an incredible kit, and it makes my life so much. It's really easy to solder with. It looks cool, it works great, and you could use it to make cool little desktop displays. It's a great fidget toy, too. Okay, cool. Congrats on your OmniFixo.
We need one more entry before we pick the next one.
Okay, cool. That's good, because that gives me time to cross this off of our list.
We need one more people. This is a
one
live
more
stream.
person. Join the live drawing. Get some free
Yes.
hardware of your choice.
All right. Here we go.
Here is our updated list of the remaining hardware to give away today. We've got 5 more pieces of hardware, 4 more winners.
1, 2, 3.
So Dove Eco is like, how do I enter this banner?
This banner. This is
it. Go there. Type in your info. Live drawing.
Go to Hackster.io/New Year 2025, and you can enter this live drawing that we are doing right now. You get 1 entry for being 1 person, but also you have better odds than some of the other drawings because there's only a certain number of people who are on the live stream, and we have 13 things to give away. True, we've given away many of them, but there's still 5 things to pick from. So, get that entry in. Wakey Robert. It's cool. Just go there now, and you might still be able to win some hardware. All right. Oh, we have our next winner. Cool. Oh, wow. This must be... Okay, so here's a bit of Hackster lore. Back when we started Hackster, we needed a way to create default usernames for people. So I put together a big sort of list of random generated name elements that would go together. So this person has one of those OG auto-generated names, which came from... So Flynn is obviously one of the people from Tron. I forget what I think I was referring to the Colossus computer or else Colossal Cave or something. So all these people who joined early on and didn't choose a username got these randomly generated ones that had characters from Hackers, characters from Tron, and various other stuff. So congrats, this is an OG Hackster, I think. Cool. So, if you are Colossus Flynn 5 on Hackster.io, then come up here now and claim your prize. I'm gonna pull them up because I gotta satiate my curiosity and see.
Yeah.
Jeff! Jeff has not published anything yet, but maybe this hardware will be your impetus to submit a project and publish something on Hackster. But yeah, Colossus Flynn 5, tell us What? Oh, hey! Cool. Yeah. Tell us what you want from this list.
Ooh, that's a good one, Jeff.
$8 subscription. Awesome. That is a good pick. I mean, not like there's any bad picks here, but cool. Awesome. I'm gonna cross that off. Congratulations! That's so cool. I love, this is so much fun having the winners like actually on the live stream. It's always fun, but like I think it is especially fun right now.
Yeah, and this was an experiment, and we didn't know, how it would work. And I think we've only had one person not answer.
Yeah.
And so this is great. This is good. All right, we've had a lot of people come in since we last chatted, and so we gotta get that link up because that shows me like we have new people on the stream.
Yeah.
So
or people who are sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like this one. I like this winner. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Here we go.
Can't wait to see.
Drum roll.
Give me a second to get their name up on the banner. We've got this person whose name is Rick.io. General purpose Rick. Input. Hey. Even if you're confused, you can still win. So basically you just put your name into that link we've been putting up there, and we're live drawing winners for our Hackster Holidays initiative.
I mean, the confused genius won.
Hi, Rick.
So you could be confused and you could still win. So it's all good. Yeah.
One of our winners is excited about their OmniFixo. I'm excited about it too. I know, I can't believe people don't know about this, which was part of why I think it's cool to give it away because it's so neat. Yeah, be sure to check that out on our channel. But yeah, anyway, our winner, Rick.io, tell us what you want. Rick is here! Greetings! Awesome!
Greetings from the space.
All right, what do you want, Rick? Tell us which of these things is the most compelling to you. Let me move this out of the way. There we go. HackerBox's subscription for 6 months. The Cool Kits Soldering Kits bundle, just as a reminder, that is this thing where you've got a bunch of different through-hole soldering kits you can practice, including this discrete 555 timer kit, which is really cool. It's quite sizable. I'll just show you again real quick. It is here. So that's like the size of my hand, and it breaks out all the components inside of a 555 timer chip, which is used in a lot of like musical applications and stuff. It works the exact same as a regular 555, except that all your hand soldering all the little transistors and stuff inside of it yourself, which I think is just rad. And instead of like plugging it into a breadboard, you have these screw terminals to connect wires. Tell me about it. Yeah, cool. So Rick, tell us what you want. So that's the Cool Kits bundle, is those soldering kits. HackerBox's subscription, a Bookworm bundle. I'll pull these up again for a second, and the Microbit bundle, which comes with a Microbit V2 and some motor breakouts and stuff as well. So we've got that with the Kitronic servo bit, and then we've also got we do not have that anymore. I keep thinking we do. This Cool Kits bundle. I think, do we still have this? Let's see. No, that's already taken. So we've got the HackerBoxes subscription, which includes 6 months of cool components and tutorials and projects and soldering kits delivered to your door. And then also the Bookworm bundle, which includes this really cool, colorful, and informative zines bundle from Lee Cyborg, aka Leeborg, who's one of the on the board of directors for OSHWA, the Open Source Hardware Association, and co-runs Open Hardware Summit. We've also got the Maker Skill Seeker tree book, where you can pick your fancy, like 3D printing or electronics or whatever, and sort of level up through these different like badges. It'll tell you like what you should explore next, and you can fill in your own ones.
Rick picked the best one.
Awesome. All right, Rick's going for HackerBoxes. Congratulations. I'm going to cross that off, and y'all are going to have to take over for a sec because this is overwhelming. Everyone, go to this URL if you want to win today. We also still have one of the grand prizes left to draw, which I'm assuming we're going to leave for the end.
Chris knows what's up. He likes the HackerBoxes too.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Joe's going to be awesome. We're going to do some work with Joe in the future. We're going to feature hacker boxes more.
So we got this left to go.
It'll be good. Okay, so what do we have? We have 2 more that we can pick.
3 more.
Well,
but
we got 1.
2 more people because one person who was was AWOL
2
when
more people. All right, so the new winner is in the chat.
Okay, cool. Let's pull
And then
them
we're
up.
down to 1 more. So everyone,
Oh.
here's your last chance to sign up in the URL. We're going to have just 1 more winner after this, and then we're going to move to the grand prize.
Yeah.
So if you're on the live stream right now, get your name in there because you got 1 more chance to win.
I'm gonna pull up. Yeah, 1 more chance to win. I'm gonna pull up this next winner in a second. But Rick.io, can you just tell us, because I wanna see confirmation. Are you an OG Hackster user? How long have you been on the site? Drop it in the chat. Everyone else, go to this page and you might still win that final prize. Okay, our next winner is, drumroll, we got this person. Congratulations, you are winning your choice of these final picks that are available. Cool Kits and Bookworm bundle. Go chat. That's what you want. All right. So these are the ones that are still available. Be sure to show yourself in the chat if you want to pick. So
Rick's been a member since 2020.
Nice. I knew it.
Yes.
You know, that system might still be around. I don't actually know. I obviously have not signed up for an account in a while, but yeah. So you get to pick whoever you are. I'm gonna pull you back up on the screen here. Our winner gets to choose from the microbit bundle. Oh, sweet, awesome. Then I can hide your username. Cool Kit. Oh, sweet.
With the Cool Kits.
Nice. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I think it's really cool.
I've been buying that 555 kit forever.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
Love it. It's so nerdy. All right, cool. So we've got 2 things left. We have the microbit bundle and the bookworm bundle. So
there we
cool.
go. Should we put up the URL one more time?
Yeah, let's pull up the URL again.
I'm going to give everyone 30 seconds.
1 second. Here we go. All right, yeah.
30 seconds, or maybe less. 10 seconds. 30 seconds is a long time on air.
Everyone have a look at the grand prize again, because we're all going to get hyped for that. So cool.
So we're going to pick the last poll for the live stream. Sign up down below, and then we're going to pick a grand prize winner, the second grand prize winner. We already picked 1 grand prize winner today. We're going to pick our second and final one. 2 more names, and that's it. 1 for the live stream, 1 for the grand prize. Let's get that URL up. We got to get the URL up.
Oh yeah, and if you're still confused, go to if you're one of the people in the chat being like, I'm so confused, scroll down, read the video description, and you will find all that you need to know. I promise it's all there. But be sure to check out this URL as well. This is where you have the chance to enter for our final live drawing audience win. And then we're going to do the grand prize, and then we're just going to freak out. Because it's New Year.
We're gonna freak out. We're gonna have tears of joy because like Hackster Holidays was such like a project.
Cool.
Right? Oh my gosh.
We have given 1 grand prize. We have 1 more remaining. There are 2 of them. So.
All right. Here is the last
final
live stream winner.
This
has been so cool. Thank you so much for putting this list together, Alex. This is like really fun stuff.
Oh, you helped. We did this together. But this has been such a journey. And are we ready for our final live drawing winner from the live audience? Everybody drum roll. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Congratulations.
My
top out. So yeah, congratulations. Show up in the chat and claim your prize. You have 1 of 2 things to pick remaining. And I'll just show those again real quick in a second, maybe. Be sure to claim your prize. If you folks can watch the comments for a moment, I'm going to pull this up.
Yeah, and we only have 2. Either
microbit bundle and bookworm bundle remain. Yeah, so, did you show up? Did you show up?
Tough Cloud admin.
And while we wait for
Tough to map, congrats.
I'm going to get. I'm going to get this grand prize going.
I got the bookworm bundle.
Hi, Travis. There it is.
Oh, cool! Awesome.
Yeah, there's Travis.
And person saying that you're their boyfriend. You're both here. This is awesome. Maybe you can choose together. But really, only the winner gets to pick. So awesome.
Travis, there's your pick.
You get to
And
pick
we'll
microbit
verify.
bundle or the cool the bookworm bundle. There we go. One of those two things. You gotta pick. No pressure. But there's only two things to pick from. Okay, bookworm bundle. Awesome. Congratulations on your new bookworm bundle. I am really excited about that. Honestly, there's so much cool stuff in here. I think it's really rad. Which is pretty obvious. I think all this stuff is rad, but I think this is a really cool bundle we put together. Oh, be excellent to each other. Okay, that concludes our live drawings. The final person is gonna get a microbit bundle. They just get what's left, which is honestly really cool too. Like, it's not just a microbit V2, it's also a bunch of other cool stuff that like lets you build it out into a whole robot thing. So I think that's rad. All right. This leaves us with only our grand prize drawing remaining.
Here, hold on. I messed up here.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Ignore my message.
Okay, I'm ignoring it. Still ignoring it. I get full license to be obnoxious on New Year's. Sorry. We got
really fine.
wonderful comments from the chat. Supportive girlfriend here. Haha, congrats everyone. I know, right? Honestly, I think that microbit bundle is really cool. You get 2 standard size servos as well as 2 mini servos or micro servos rather, and then this like Kitronic breakout. Whoops, with the like NeoPixel LEDs and stuff. Another thing that I didn't show earlier is this touch display too. The new touch display from Raspberry Pi, which we gave out near the start, not surprisingly, along with the Raspberry Pi 5 that's going to be part of the Raspberry Pi bundle that we gave away today. Lots of other cool stuff. And everyone gets one of those dev kitty kits. So cool.
All right. So I pasted in our second grand prize winner.
Our second grand prize winner. Wow, our final. Adam, you don't know that we didn't pick you. You could be the grand prize winner. I don't even know yet. I haven't looked at the chat. Ben, I'm sorry. I'm stalling a little bit. We got to get some suspense up here. Oh, what a cool name.
Whoa.
If you have a boring name on here, I'm sorry you didn't win. I crack me up. All right. Who's winning our grand prize here? Everybody give a drum roll. This is the big one. This is our final grand prize from the entire month. It's our ultimate workbench grand prize. It's the second one of up to. I'm gonna hitting it 1, 2, 3 now. All right. Congratulations.
Oh, wait.
I need like an air horn. This is so cool. Congratulations, you're a second grand prize winner from our first ever Hackster Holidays. What a ride. This is so cool. Yeah.
Over $5,000 to build out your cave of a maker. It's a blast. All right.
Ben, can you tell us one more time, like what was your vision behind this? Because I thought it was really cool.
It is really just like give what I would like, right? Like treat others like you want to be treated. This is the kind of stuff that I want over at my workbench behind me. I feel like I hack together my workbench and I always like am missing what I really want. And I have an Ender Pro 3D printer right there that's seen better days. And I'm like, what if like I was going to revamp this workstation? What would I bring into it? And so, yeah, that's where it came from. And
you painted this whole picture about like getting the magazines when you're like the tech magazines or gaming magazines. And
yeah, thanks for bringing that up. Yeah. So as I was a kid, you'd get like video game magazines, you would get like BMX biking magazines, and you would go through it and there would always be a spot. There'd always be some sort of giveaway. Someone would take an ad out and it would be like the ultimate gaming giveaway. And there'd be a big screen TV. There would be every single console. There'd be a bunch of video games. And like, all you need to do is mail in to be part of this. Right. And I would look at that ad and I'm like, my mom would never let me mail in. But I would just stare at the ad. I'm like, could you imagine having a big screen TV in my room? Oh my gosh. And I would just sit there just imagining it. And so that's what I want to do with this is take that to modern day. Like, could we build like a whole bundle of really great things that would just be fantastic to show up at your front door one day. And how exciting would that be? And so like the two winners that we have today, like they're going to be getting a massive box to show up in their at their house, and they're
So
going to
much
be
cool
so
stuff.
excited. It's going to be amazing. So yeah,
Here's
I'm
some of the
excited.
things we didn't get to really talk about before. So we've got this Fix Hub Power Series soldering toolkit. Really cool new thing. Has a bunch of neat features, including a giant battery. You can take this anywhere. You can solder on a boat. You can solder in a car. You've got this tiny little portable brass coil. All kinds of cool stuff. The Carvera Air. Hey, there we go.
Look at that.
Desktop CNC.
So beautiful.
Real cool.
Look at that. You can make your own circuit boards, at home.
Enclosures.
Yeah,
Challenge coins, uh, parts for robots, all kinds of different stuff. Also, this thing, the everyday goal calendar from Simone,
how neat.
so cool. Track your
Yeah, and
habits.
Simone did a really cool video talking about like product development and featured this product
Ooh,
about it. Yeah, so I encourage
I'll have to
everyone to
check that
go to
out.
YouTube and watch that video.
Nice, that's part of our bundle. Wow, what a ride.
What a ride, everybody. We did it. We did it.
Congrats to
We
the Hackster team for pulling it off.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm excited. This is fun. This is
Gonna
super
kick
good.
off the
And
new
I
year
want
with
to
me.
I want to thank the team. I want to thank everyone that participated. We had over 5,000
Absolutely.
entries. We had the sponsors are fantastic. A big shout out to Nordic. They were a really big one
Mm,
that was super supportive of this early on in the beginning. Another big shout out to PCB Way. So you'll see
mm,
them in a lot of our competitions. They're supporting everyone on our everyone that's participating in the competitions and contests that are going out. So very two really great brands. But we've had over, I think it was over 12 people participated. A lot in the giveaways. They were brands were giving away hardware. Arduino, a few people, or one person got the Elvic today. That came from
yeah,
Arduino. Thank you, Arduino. Make gave the subscription away. Like, just there's just been a whole season of giving and generosity, and so very appreciative of everyone involved. Particle was a big
mm.
shout out.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they gave us so many boards. Fantastic team over
All
there.
these
So,
snowflakes and particle
yeah.
P2s and boron modules. This thing is so cool. I wanted to get this doing a drum roll for us, but we couldn't get it to work in time. But
And
so cool.
you know what's stellar, everyone that's on the stream right now? Like 2025 is going to be bussin'. It's going to be amazing. I can't believe I use that term. I'm too old for that. But it's going to be amazing. Talking to our different sponsors and brands that are involved, people are very excited for 2025. And if you're into robotics and into AI, those are the two major themes for next year. So it's time to get excited. We're going to be building some massive stuff.
Oh yeah. And I saw someone in the chat being like, I didn't win anything. You know what? Join our pro program. Submit stuff to the so Ben, you mentioned that joining our challenges is the best way to get potentially invited into the pro program, and then you apply. Uh if you want to get hardware and cool stuff, you can do our continuing contests, of course, but then also we've got these new challenges, which are a great way that we're scouting for people to join the pro program, which Ginger is coordinating. Would you
She's
like
the
to tell us a
lead.
little bit?
Yeah. She's the one with the inside scoop. You know,
Hmm.
we don't I would say, the pro program is like an iceberg. Right now you see one challenge that is labeled pro, but that's like, gosh, Ginger, that's like 1% of the activities that you're doing with the pros right
She's
now.
incredible.
Everything else is like private, invite only, exclusive, matched up to the individuals. There's so much happening on the pro side. It's a really great initiative.
Absolutely. So join our pro program, just hackster.io/pro, and enter these challenges to basically build up a profile so we can know who you are, we can know the kinds of cool stuff that you do, and you can get compensated. You can get trips, you can get hardware to build with, you can get paid to produce stuff, you can write articles for Hackster, all kinds of stuff to get your name out there. If you're passionate about hardware, absolutely join.
Okay, so
No bribery, sorry. No bribery. I got nixed on that one. I'm not allowed to accept any bribes, which is fair, but
Mohammed,
still
you're
sad.
one of the winners. You can't disqualify
Yeah,
yourself.
that's true. You
Yeah.
you won 2 things during these giveaways. Don't spoil your luck here.
Oh my gosh. Too good, too good. Hey, while we have an active chat, I'm gonna ask, come next year, what is something that you guys want to work on? Or something that you want to win? Aim big. Like what would you like? What do we got? We got a NASA challenge. Are you guys hinting at a NASA?
Yeah,
Oof,
interesting.
how cool would that be?
I wouldn't say
Who,
no to a NASA
you know what
challenge.
I would love to do? I'm not saying that this is gonna happen. All right. But it would be amazing if we can organize like some sort of trip to like SpaceX or Blue Origin, and like that could be a prize, is like an all expenses paid trip to like Blue Origin headquarters and get a whole tour. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Anyway, would you guys be down to like a space themed competition? Like what would that even look like? You know? So yeah,
Yeah.
that would be
If
super.
you're yeah. I think that sounds rad. We also have a question about the link to Pro. This should definitely be working. Hackster.io/pro is up. I can confirm it. So maybe check your down for everyone or justme.com. But you can go apply right now. You need to get verified, and that should take a little longer right now as we're doing everyone manually at the start here. But we'll be bringing people on faster, and you can check your Hackster profile. We also got it in the chat there. Thank you, Hackster team members on the back end there.
Now that website, that website is adaptive. So that button, that CTA button, might not be there for everyone. So if you're not a
Oh.
user, you get a different button. If you're not registered
That
or
makes sense.
you get a different button. So yeah.
So make sure that you're signed up for Hackster, that you're logged in, and also get verified because it won't hurt. But yeah.
We
All
got a
right,
lot of
cool.
people that
I
want to
think
do
you might have to
CNC,
have, do you have to
VR.
have published a project already on Hackster in order to see that button as well?
We
That
have
might
we have
be.
the pro herself on the call right now. So like Ginger
Yeah,
can see
Ginger.
this.
Does someone have to have a project already published on Hackster in order to apply for the Pro program?
They can apply, but they will go through, like, I do like one-on-one interviews with every application that comes in. So like if you're new to Hackster but you have like an amazing profile somewhere else, whether it's on GitHub or Hackaday or whatever, just move it over. Then because when I do a little bit of like of study, like my homework on looking at your Hackster profile. So make sure you get that up, and then like we'll chat, we'll talk about opportunities, your ambitions, and we're really looking forward to build this program of like like the way we could support the best innovators out there from around the world and do exciting and stuff that really hopefully to fuel your passion, and but also give you some more financial opportunities and networking opportunities, and just share all the great resources we have here at Hackster with the best of our communities.
Yeah, these are some of the people who are already in our Pro program, and you can see that they've published a number of things, whether that be articles or projects or whatever. So if you want to participate in Pro, just build out your profile and make sure that you got a bunch of cool stuff to show off, because that's going to help you get in the program.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And
All right.
now that we moved like our writers over to pros, we got a handful of people already. So in the chat, we have one person saying it would be great to do this full time. We have a couple people already
Hmm.
doing it full time.
Yeah.
So we're in beta right now, and hopefully, like we'll just ramp this up with the new year coming, new budgets, new goals, new objectives for the companies. So that will be really exciting. We're going to definitely ramp it up some more. But this is super. Like this is part of the objective of the pro program, is to fulfill this right here, where we have an amazing community of experts, their knowledge and their ability, what they're exposed to, the technology that they work with, the competitions that they participate in. It makes them part of a very elite, very specialized group of individuals. And we want to surface that for those who want to do this part-time, full-time. Hopefully the pro program will evolve to that level. And so that's our ambition. We're going to get there. So
Yeah.
Absolutely. All
We
kinds
got
of
so
stuff.
many good comments coming in. Someone saying learn, make, share, and add on to that earn.
yeah.
Yeah. Learn, make sure, earn. Good rhyme in there.
That's right.
All kinds
That's
of cool
good stuff.
Oh, we have another Thanks coming in. What an amazing season this has been. Our first ever holidays. Mad
Yes.
props to Ben for just like dreaming this up. And there's so many different initiatives that we've done. So many new things. We ran through at the start. Like I got overexcited talking about dark mode and stuff. Like so much new stuff. Thank you all for being on this journey with us. It's the new year. There's gonna be all kinds of cool stuff coming up that Ben's been talking about, Ginger's talking about, and I'm gonna be yapping on about for sure. Thank you all for joining us on this. You really make
Happy
it
New
like
Year!
Happy New Year!
Year.
Oh, the
Cheers. I got my iced coffee here. So cheers.
Oh,
Oh,
fancy.
look at that!
Here we go.
For me, there's still like 10 hours to go till midnight. So, but Ginger's getting in on it. All right, Happy New Year, everybody! Thank you for joining us for our first ever Hackster Holidays. Congratulations to the winners and hack on!
Heck on.
Oh, hold on, I gotta take a selfie.
Oh yeah.
Screenshot right here. All right, everyone, drum roll, and we're gonna take a selfie. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. I think I take a selfie. Oh, okay. All right.
All right.
All right.
Everyone.
We're going to frame that and send that to all the winners.
Yeah. All right. Congrats, everyone. Congrats. All right. Yeah, sure. Have
New
a
Year.
great 2025. It's going to
Everyone
be
be
awesome.
safe, please.
Be safe.
Awesome.
Have fun.
Appreciate you all.
Hack on.
Bye-bye.
See ya.